Hello students, welcome to the online classes for English, UP Board Intermediate English. It's my second lecture and today I am going to start how to write impressive explanation for the exams. I told the whole story, I told the whole text in my former video, and today now I am going to start my important paragraph. And before starting my explanation, I want to say something about corona. All of you know that it is the very critical time. Due to coronavirus, you have to stay in your homes and you are doing work related to study or any other thing in your homes. So always remember, united we stand and divided we fall. जब हम संगठन में शक्ति है, this is absolutely correct in this context. Let's fight against COVID-19. और सभी सावधानियां आपको ध्यान में रखनी है, जैसा कि मैं पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ, और समय समय पर आपके अन्य सब्जेक्ट्स के टीचर भी बताते रहे हैं कि वॉश योर हैंड्स ऑलवेज एंड कवर योर माउथ विद मास्क एटसेट्रा. नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you should write hints. The platforms. And reports. Students, always remember that you should use only blue or black pen, not red pen in your explanation or any writing in board exams. So first of all you should write the first letter, first word of the paragraph and then last word, and then you should start to write explanation. First of all we should read the paragraph carefully, and I think that you should read it 2 or 3 times. The platforms were packed with people. I told you कि प्लेटफॉर्म लोगों से भरे हुए थे, and I explained everything in my former video. So today I only write on the blackboard some headings. First of all, reference. And the spelling, reference, context and explanation, everything will be found in your question paper, and question will be that explain the following lines with reference to the context. तो then reference meaning in Hindi संदर्भ, प्रस्तुत पंक्तियाँ हमारी पाठ्य पुस्तक से ली गई हैं and this lesson से. तो in the same way in English also we should start these lines or this paragraph or this passage, anything you like. These lines have been taken. You should you also use taken, extracted and culled, and have been taken is very simple. Have been taken from the lesson A Girl with a Basket, written by great American author William C. Douglas. And you can write about Douglas also. कोमा लगाकर आप यूज़ करेंगे अ ग्रेटेस्ट, अ ग्रेट और फेमस जज इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट. सुप्रीम कोर्ट here. Supreme Court of United USA, you can write United States of America. Next heading, context. Context in Hindi, प्रसंग. What writer wants to say or what writer going to explain in these lines, then I think the writer explained that the scene of the railway station while he was going from New Delhi to Ranikhet, because the platforms were packed. and तुम एकदम समझ जाओगे स्टूडेंट्स कि ये लेसन कौन सा है, जिस लेसन में प्लेटफॉर्म भी आता है और उसमें राइटर उतरता है हर स्टेशन पर और लोगों से बातें करता है, ये जानने के लिए कि एग्जैक्ट फीलिंग क्या है राष्ट्र की. सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग राइटिंग द कॉन्टेक्स्ट इन दीज लाइन्स. द ऑथर describes his personal experience while he was going to Bareilly, going from New Delhi to Ranikhet. He was going from New Delhi to Ranikhet via Bareilly. Bareilly. This context will be same for all the lesson. This is the common context for all the paragraphs, and after this you will start writing explanation. I am rubbing this. इसको रोककर आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. एंड नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग राइटिंग द एक्सप्लेनेशन. यस, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट एक्सप्लेनेशन, एंड यू शुड राइट एक्सप्लेनेशन इन वेरी सिंपल लैंग्वेज so that every student, the student of, because every student has his own mental level or IQ, so a teacher has to use different methods or strategies to explain his views. Explanation, in explanation you should take the help of paragraphs also, and in this paragraph writer says, you can start like this. Here the writer says, that says that or tells us or tells us that the platforms that during his journey from New Delhi to Bareilly he stopped during his journey from New Delhi to Bareilly. He stopped at one station there. He saw the platform was full of people of different caste, religion, different caste, religion and profession. The writer describes those people in pictorial way. Pictorial way meaning in the way that we are seeing the everything before our eyes, and actually this is happening before us. So after this he says that all were without shoes because they had come after a long journey and they were wearing loose white clothes, your garments. And writer says that I would ask at least 3 people I could find one who spoke English. Meaning few of them knew English So the writer tried to find out one who could spoke English, being an American, the writer was unable to understand their language. There is no space on the blackboard. May I rub this? After this, explanation means we should give the meaning of line in different sentences in very simple language. You can write with the use of transformation and you can transform the sentence, and you can combine the sentence in two or more sentences, or two or more sentences are combined in one sentence is called synthesis. So then you should use very simple and small sentences while writing the explanation. In the last line I am writing the author wanted to know the exact feeling of the people against official records. So at every station he came out of the compartment and talked to people. For getting good marks in your exams, I advise you that you should write comments also. Comments in Hindi Sahityik Saundarya. A writer used so many devices to express his feelings in very impressive manner, and beautifully he describes everything. I think that he may use some idioms or figures of speech, and the language has also very important role in this context. And comments first and second and third. You can give 1, 2, 3 or more comments after explaining the paragraph. First of all is language, meaning which kind of language writer has used. I think that very simple and easy language, and it can be useful for all the lessons of prose and poetry. First of all, the language used by the author is very simple and easy, but impressive. Next, in this paragraph, writer has used idiom also. So you can say that writer has used idiomatic language also, and the use of idiom to get a feel of the pulse of the nation. To get the feel of the pulse, it will be sufficient, meaning to know the exact feeling of something, of somewhere, to get the feel of the pulse is makes the paragraph very impressive. You can write figures of speech, but mostly figure of speech alankars are used in poetry and in prose also, but I think that there is no figure of speech in this paragraph, but some words are used which are very simple to understand. After reading this paragraph, at once you can understand that from which lesson this has been taken and who is the writer of the lesson. So this is very important part of your question paper. This will be first question of section A, and after this you can take, you can write this explanation in your copies also. You should note. Now I am telling the importance of short questions. Short questions, there are two short questions in your exam paper, and you have to write only one short question, and each question meaning it will be only 4 marks. It bring only 4 marks. And explanation 8 mark and 4 mark short question, only one question you have to do. Most important questions I told you while I was teaching you text, but after this also this time also I am telling you some questions. Where was, question number 1 very important, where was the author going and how or how was he going? Question form may be different. In question there may be कि how did he travel. I am writing in very short. Where was the author going and how? तो you know, all of you know very well that writer, where, कहाँ writer जा रहा था और कैसे. तो answer is very simple. The author was going from New Delhi to Ranikhet via Bareilly. How he was going? He was going by train. He was going to Bareilly by train. He was going to Bareilly by train and then to Ranikhet by car. You should not write more than 30 words, but it depends only the requirements of the question. The word limit may be less or more, so you should write exact answer in the exam. The author was going from New Delhi to Ranikhet via Bareilly. कहाँ जा रहा था राइटर? नई दिल्ली से रानीखेत बरेली होकर. He was going to Bareilly by train and then to Ranikhet by car. Very simple answer. And question number 2. What did the writer do? To get a feel of the pulse of the nation. Answer. What did the writer do? What, क्या राइटर ने किया या वो क्या करता था? To get a feel of the pulse of the nation, राष्ट्र की एग्जैक्ट फीलिंग को, भावना को या राष्ट्र की जानकारी लेने के लिए राइटर क्या क्या करता था? You know very well क्या क्या करता था राइटर? The writer go down from his compartment से नीचे आता था and talked to people. और बाकी आप you should add the question language from this. To get a feel of the pulse of the nation. And the third question, you can take a screenshot and then write in your notebooks. Question number 3. Describe the things and scenes, the things and scenes. Describe the things and scenes. The writers are during his journey. Answer: during his journey from New Delhi to Ranikhet. On his journey, from New Delhi to Ranikhet, the author saw platforms overcrowded with people. Overcrowded with people. With the people of all castes and religions. The rich plains of the Ganga, thick forests, and the houses made of mud, walls. Yes. And the next question, very important and very easy, and it comes again and again in your exams. Question number 4. What disturb the what the continuity what disturb the of the writers conversation at one of the conversations at one of the stations. Answer: if you have studied the lesson carefully and attentively, so you can write every answer in your own language, in very simple language. This question, what disturb, किस चीज़ ने डिस्टर्ब किया, किस चीज़ ने बाधा डाली, द कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ द राइटर्स कन्वर्सेशन, राइटर के वार्तालाप में एट वन ऑफ द स्टेशंस, एक स्टेशन पर. यू शुड नो ओनली वन वर्ड टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. Only what key, in place of what you can write only a group of refugee children or people only. At one of the stations we should write the answer. At one of the stations a group of refugee children, a group of refugee children, और वो क्या कर रहे थे, selling baskets, children selling baskets, hand woven baskets, hand woven baskets या handmade, very simple, handmade baskets and fans. And fans disturb the continuity of the writer's conversation. Fans disturbed the continuity of the writer's conversation. There is no problem writing the answer of this question. Very simple. You have to learn only one word only. A group of some refugee children. And what were they doing? They were selling handmade baskets and fans. Next question. That is very, very important. Question number 5. Why did the refugee children descend like locusts on the writer. Why did the refugee children descend like locust on the writer? Why? क्यों रिफ्यूजी शरणार्थी बच्चे डिसेंड टूट पड़े, गिर पड़े, लाइक लोकस्ट टिड्डियों की तरह, ग्रास होपर टिड्डी दल जो पूरी फसल को बर्बाद कर देते हैं. तो राइटर कंपेयर्स द चिल्ड्रन, ग्रुप ऑफ चिल्ड्रन कंपेयर्स टू द लोकस्ट्स ऑन द राइटर. राइटर पर क्यों टूट पड़े? यू नो वेरी वेल that writer was a rich American and they thought that he would buy their articles. Answer: the refugee children you should answer the question in the same tense, and the tense is past indefinite, so you should always know the exact tense. So the refugee children, or did, in place of did we use in affirmative sentence second form of the verb. So children descended like locusts on the writer because they thought that he was a rich American and he would buy or purchase their articles or their baskets and fans. And next most important question: who were these children selling and fence? Answer: these children. From these you will start answering your question from this. These children selling baskets and fans. These children selling baskets and fans were, who were these children? जो कि बच्चे बास्केट, टोकरियाँ और पंखे बेच रहे थे, कौन थे वो? वर द sons and daughters of refugees who came India who came India from Pakistan at the time of partition. Very simple answer. The children selling baskets and fans were the sons and daughters of refugees के ये बेटे और बेटियां थे. Who came India, और रिफ्यूजी कौन थे? जो भारत आए थे पाकिस्तान से पार्टीशन के टाइम पर. आफ्टर 1947 our country was divided into two parts. All of you know well. Next, last question, but this is very important and it comes in different ways. Last question. It may be in different forms. Which qualities of character did William C. Douglas find in Indian people, or why did writer, question number 7, why did William C. Douglas fall in love with India? India or Indian people, or there may be so many questions related to this subject. Why did William C. Douglas fall in love with Indian people or India, or why was he impressed, etc., etc., or which qualities of character William C. Douglas find in Indian people? Answer: William C. Douglas found some qualities in Indian people as Indian people, they were hardworking, or laborious, honest, freedom loving, and self respecting. Due to these special qualities, the author fell in love with Indian people. I hope that all of you have understood everything about the lesson. And the next question, one more very important questions, fill in the blanks. It will also bring it brings 4 marks for you, and it is very simple, but For this, you have to read or study the lesson thoroughly. Fill in the blanks में कोई भी लाइन आपके पैराग्राफ में से, आपके लेसन में से दे दी जाती है, कोई भी वर्ड आपसे कहेंगे कि अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड इसमें आप फिल करिए, तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम आती है। कई बार जो ऑप्शन देते हैं वो हमें लगता है ये भी सही है, ये भी सही है, बट टीचर राइट उसे ही मानता है जो लेसन में यूज़ हुआ है, और होना भी चाहिए। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स का मीन यही है कि आपने टेक्स्ट को पढ़ा भी है या नहीं, या ऐसे ही आपने तुक्के मार दिए, कहना चाहिए। तो हर चीज़ को पढ़ना चाहिए, और रीडिंग जो है, रीडिंग मेक इट द मैन फुल। सर फ्रांसिस बेकन ने ये कहा है, ही हैज़ राइटली स्टेटेड दैट रीडिंग मेक इट ए मैन फुल। फुल मीनिंग वो उसे कंप्लीट बनाती है रीडिंग। रीडिंग से हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें जान जाते हैं, बहुत से वर्ड मीनिंग जान जाते हैं, और अपनी एक्सप्रेस करना जान जाते हैं अपनी फीलिंग्स को थ्रू द यूज़ ऑफ लैंग्वेज। नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स क्वेश्चन फॉर्म विल बी, क्वेश्चन ऐसे आएगा, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स इन द फॉलोइंग sentences choosing the most appropriate word, the most appropriate word. There should be 4 fill in the blanks, 4 sentences to fill in the blanks. Most important, which comes in your exam paper again and again, these are very important. First of all, the children selling baskets were the sons and daughters of the blank. And peasants, refugees, and more sentences also, more words also. I am giving only 2 words, but in your exam there will be 4 words, and you have to choose most appropriate word which has come in your text. The children selling baskets were the sons and daughters of the refugees. You should do yourself. I am telling only one answer. In this fill in the blank, in this blank on refugees will come. Refugees black पेन से यहाँ पर भर देना है। आंसर क्या है? refugees। इस तरह से। और बाकी के fill in the blanks की जो प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए मैं आपको इस पे पेजेस पेस्ट कर दूंगी, 5-6 सेंटेंसेस दे दूंगी, एंड यू शुड प्रैक्टिस योर सेल्फ। थैंक यू। अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो आपको, इफ़ यू फील एनी प्रॉब्लम, then ask me in comment box, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.